Hi friends, let me start with a new chapter, that is circles. Now let me tell you some basic terms and circles. Now this is called as the center of the circle. Now the line which is drawn here, this is called as the chord. Then this segment which is formed with the chord and the circle is called as minor segment. This part is called as the major segment. Okay, then we have this arc is called as the minor arc, this arc is called as the major arc. Now if there are some angles which are formed here, now this is angle in the major arc, see, because this is the minor arc, and this is the major arc. Okay, so angle subtended to the major arc is always acute. Acute means always less than 90. And here this is the minor arc, and in minor arc angle is always obtuse, which is greater than 90, less than 180. Then we have angles in the same segment. Now this is one chord, this is one segment, this is another segment. This is bigger one, so I'll show you here. We can draw many angles here with the same base, see here, like this, and it resembles actually, see here, two pointed edges like an M, and the base must be the same. Such angles are called as angles in the same segment. Check it out here, it's pointed, and see M everywhere, M, or like here when we draw a cat, we draw like this, isn't it? So like that, these two, and they are, remember, angles in the same segment are equal. Angles in the same segment are equal. Suppose this is 30 degrees, then all these angles will be 30 degrees. Okay, now this angle here, this is angles in the segment only again, so all these also will be equal. Okay, so in these both angles will be equal. Now I told you angle in a major segment and angle in a minor segment. Similarly, we have the line which passes through the center, this is called as a diameter. Now this diameter, it also subtends an angle. Now always remember, the diameter divides a circle into what we call it as semicircles. So semicircle, angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. All these points which I told you now, this will help you to solve the riders on this, that's the problems on this. Okay, the statements. Now let's take one more thing. Now there are two chords. Suppose this is one chord and this is another chord. So both these chords, if they are equal, suppose this is 5 centimeters, this also 5 centimeters, then this is the angle which it forms at the center. This is